Business credit is your company's financial reputation. It's a comprehensive assessment of your company's ability to manage debt and meet its financial obligations. Think of it as a report card that lenders, suppliers, and even potential partners use to evaluate your business's trustworthiness. It's a trust score for your enterprise, reflecting how reliably you pay your bills and manage your finances. This score is crucial because it influences everything from loan approvals to the terms you receive from vendors. Good business credit lets you borrow money, often at more favorable interest rates. Access to capital is the lifeblood of any growing business, and a strong credit profile significantly increases your chances of securing the funding you need to expand, invest in new equipment, or manage unexpected expenses. It also helps you get better supplier terms. Suppliers are more willing to extend credit to businesses with a proven track record of timely payments, which can free up your cash flow and improve your working capital, and it allows you to manage cash flow more effectively. By leveraging credit, you can strategically time your payments to optimize your financial resources and ensure you always have the funds you need to operate smoothly. It helps you secure leases, as landlords often check business credit to assess the risk of renting to a particular company. A solid credit history can be the key to securing the perfect location for your business, and it allows you to expand without risking your personal assets. By building a strong business credit profile, you can obtain financing in the name of your company, shielding your personal wealth from potential business liabilities. For new and growing businesses, establishing business credit early on is crucial. It sets the stage for future growth and provides a foundation for long-term financial stability. Business credit is a gateway to capital that might otherwise be out of reach. It opens doors to funding opportunities that are specifically designed for businesses with a proven track record. Without it, you may face expensive financing options, such as high-interest loans or lines of credit with unfavorable terms. These options can eat into your profits and hinder your ability to grow, or you might have to dip into personal savings to fund your business, which can put a strain on your personal finances and limit your ability to invest in other areas, ultimately putting your assets at risk. Relying on personal funds can blur the lines between your personal and business finances, making you vulnerable to potential liabilities. A robust business credit history acts as both a safety net, providing a cushion during economic downturns or unexpected financial challenges, and a launchpad for growth, enabling you to seize new opportunities and expand your business with confidence. It boosts your company's credibility, making you a more attractive partner, customer, or supplier, making suppliers more likely to offer net 30 or even net 60 terms, giving you more time to pay your invoices and manage your cash flow. This means you get goods or services now and pay later, allowing you to use those funds for other critical business needs, easing day-to-day financial management and providing you with greater flexibility in your operations. Potential partners and clients often check your business credit as part of their due diligence process. Before signing big contracts, they want to ensure they are working with a financially stable and reliable company. A strong credit report opens doors to better deals, more favorable contract terms, and larger projects, allowing you to compete for and win lucrative opportunities. Building business credit creates a separate financial identity for your company, distinct from your personal credit history, protecting your personal assets and providing a crucial layer of financial security. This separation is vital for long-term sustainability, ensuring that your personal finances are not jeopardized by business risks, and growth, allowing you to build a thriving and resilient business. As your business credit improves, your access to capital expands, and your borrowing costs decrease. More financial products and better terms become available, empowering you to make strategic investments and fuel your growth. This empowers your business to navigate uncertainty, adapt to changing market conditions, and seize opportunities with confidence, knowing you have the financial resources to support your ambitions. Ultimately, strong business credit secures your company's place in the industry, establishing you as a reputable and reliable player for years to come, ensuring your long-term success and sustainability. Let's explore how to build this foundation, step by step, and create a strong business credit profile, and unlock your business's full potential, paving the way for lasting success and prosperity. Many entrepreneurs, especially when starting out, often confuse business credit with personal credit. It's a common misconception, but they're very different. Understanding these differences is crucial for the long-term financial health and success of your business. Personal credit is tied to you as an individual. It's a reflection of your personal financial responsibility. This includes your loans, credit cards, and your payment history, all the things that contribute to your individual credit score. It's a comprehensive look at how you manage your personal debt. Business credit, on the other hand, is linked to your company's EIN, or Employer Identification Number. It reflects how your business pays its bills, manages its debts, and interacts financially with vendors and lenders. Major bureaus like Dun & Bradstreet, Experian Business, and Equifax Small Business use different scoring models to assess your business's creditworthiness. For example, Dun & Bradstreet's Paydex score, a key indicator, ranges from 1 to 100, with higher scores indicating prompt payments and responsible financial behavior. The key difference to remember: with personal credit, you're personally liable for the debt. With business credit, the business itself is responsible, if set up correctly as a separate legal entity. This separation protects your personal assets, offering a crucial layer of security. This is especially important if the business faces financial trouble or unforeseen circumstances. Building strong business credit means your company can access financing more easily and secure better terms independently of your personal finances, opening up opportunities for growth and investment. It also enhances your business's professionalism, making it appear more credible and trustworthy, and demonstrates stability in the eyes of lenders, suppliers, and potential partners, fostering stronger relationships. By focusing on building and maintaining strong business credit, you safeguard your personal wealth and build your company's reputation as a reliable and financially sound entity. Understanding this distinction between personal and business credit is the first and most important step to strategic financial growth and long-term success. So, let's dive in and see how to set up your business for credit success, ensuring a solid financial foundation for the future. To build business credit, you need to establish a solid foundation. Your company must be a legitimate, separate entity distinct from your personal identity. This separation is key to building a strong credit profile for your business. Start by forming an LLC, which stands for Limited Liability Company. Or, consider forming a corporation. Either structure legally separates your personal and business finances, providing a crucial layer of protection. This separation ensures that your personal assets are shielded from business liabilities. Next, obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. This is essentially a social security number for your business. It's essential for taxes, banking, and credit applications. Without an EIN, you won't be able to open a business bank account or apply for business credit lines. Open a dedicated business bank account. This is a non-negotiable step. Never mix personal and business funds. Keep them completely separate to maintain financial clarity. Commingling finances can jeopardize your liability protection and credit-building efforts. It blurs the lines between your personal and business identities, which can be detrimental in the long run. Choose a business-friendly bank, one that understands the needs of small businesses. Ideally, one that reports to business credit bureaus. This reporting is crucial for establishing and growing your business credit score. Establish a professional presence. Get a business phone number, separate from your personal line, and a physical or virtual business address. This adds credibility to your business. Avoid using a home address or P.O. box, as lenders may view these less favorably. They prefer to see a legitimate business location. Ensure your business name, address, and phone number are consistent across all documents and online listings. This includes your website, business cards, and any online directories. This consistency helps credit bureaus verify your legitimacy. It shows that your business is real and established. A clear, professional setup is the foundation for building trust and creditworthiness with lenders and suppliers. With these basics in place, you're ready to get your business listed and recognized by the major credit bureaus, setting the stage for a strong credit future. 15. Once your business is set up, it's time to boost its visibility with credit bureaus and potential creditors. Secure a DUNS number from Dun & Bradstreet. It's free and opens your credit file. Proactively list your business with Experian Business and Equifax Small Business to ensure your information is accurate. Add your business to online directories like Google, My Business, Yelp, and Yellow Pages. Keep your business name, address, and phone number identical everywhere. This NAP consistency builds credibility. These listings help credit bureaus verify your business and improve your online presence. Positive reviews and accurate profiles attract customers and reassure lenders. Regularly update your listings to avoid confusion and delays in credit building. A well-managed public profile signals professionalism and reliability to both bureaus and creditors. Now let's start building your credit history with easy approval vendor accounts. With your business listed, it's time to build credit by opening vendor accounts. Start with Tier 1 vendors, companies like Quill, Uline, and Granger, who offer Net 30 terms and report to credit bureaus. Apply using your business's legal name, EIN, and address. Make small, regular purchases and pay invoices early to boost your paydex score. Open 3 to 5 accounts to establish a pattern of responsible credit use. Confirm each vendor reports to at least one major bureau. Diversify your vendors to build a comprehensive credit profile. These starter accounts are the building blocks for larger credit lines, without risking personal assets. Manage these accounts well, and you'll unlock more substantial credit opportunities. After managing starter accounts, your business can access more Net 30, Net 60, or Net 90 terms and business credit cards. These extended terms improve cash flow and let you pay for goods after generating revenue. As your credit profile grows, more suppliers and card issuers will offer credit without a personal guarantee. Use business credit cards responsibly. Keep balances low and pay in full each month. Always pay on time. Late payments can damage your score. Set up reminders or automatic payments to avoid missed due dates. Don't max out cards. Keep utilization below 30% of your limit. Request credit limit increases as your payment history strengthens. Larger credit lines managed well further boost your business credit profile. Responsible credit use opens doors to even better financing options. Building credit is only half the battle. Monitoring your reports is just as important. Regularly check your business credit reports from Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax. Look for errors, unfamiliar accounts, or outdated information. Dispute inaccuracies immediately with documentation. Understand what affects your scores: payment history, credit utilization, account age, and public records. Paying bills early can significantly boost your paydex score. Monitoring lets you track progress, spot issues, and stay motivated. Adjust your strategy if you see areas for improvement, like high utilization. Proactive monitoring protects your credit reputation and helps prevent fraud. Stay vigilant to ensure your hard-earned credit reflects your true business strength. Building business credit is an ongoing process. Consistency is key. Use existing credit lines regularly and pay on time to keep accounts active. As your business grows, seek higher credit limits or new lines when needed. Diversify your credit mix. Consider equipment leases or small business loans that report to bureaus. Only apply for new credit when necessary. Too many applications can hurt your score. Maintain accurate records and manage cash flow to support your credit profile. Financial stability underpins your creditworthiness and future growth. Continuous improvement ensures your business credit remains strong and ready for new opportunities. 9. Even with a solid plan, common mistakes can derail your credit-building journey. Don't mix personal and business finances. Keep everything separate to protect your liability shield. Late payments are the fastest way to damage your business credit. Set up reminders or automate payments. Avoid applying for too much credit at once. Each application can lower your score. Be strategic and only seek credit you truly need and can manage. Regularly monitor your credit reports for errors or fraud. Make sure your vendors are actually reporting your payments. Neglecting these steps can undo your hard work and limit your access to credit. Stay proactive and disciplined to ensure your business reaps the full benefits of strong credit.